I'm Sam Ransom.
And I'm James Ransom.
And we're the owners of Showtime Transportation. Showtime's been around since about 2008, and we specialize in luxury transportation. So James and I have been married for about 15 years, and we just kind of try to juggle it all. We have 5 kids at home, a couple companies to run, and we love being a part of people's lives. We love doing customer service and just creating an experience for our clients.
What I love about doing limos and buses and trolleys is being able to be part of the celebration. Our customers are always celebrating something, and I love being part of that interaction. Anytime they call and ask for something special, they're a lot of times really hesitant about some little detail. It could be anything, a dog, or can we bring drinks on the vehicles? And they're always kind of expecting maybe a no answer, and you could say, of course, we expect you to. Bring whatever you want. Just have a good time and enjoy the evening or the afternoon or whatever they're doing. Things that make us different from our competitors or from any limo company that you might call is really that we care so much about the experience that our customers have. We care a lot more that they enjoy the evening fully, that there isn't something that detracts from it. When I talk to some of my friends in the industry, you know, who work with limos and with customers, a lot of times they say, well, I got them from point A to point B, and that's all that really matters. It's just that they got where they needed to go because we're transportation. And our take at Showtime is, it's really the experience we're going for.
We have everything from 10-passenger stretches to SUV stretches, then we go to our trolleys. After that, you've got mid-size buses, all the way up to our big luxury limo buses, which on the outside, they look like on the bus. And on the inside, you've got 40 people ready to party, full stretch limo on the inside to have that feel with every one of your friends you can fit on there.
Come on out to Showtime anytime you want to chat with us in person or see a vehicle or just do a booking in person. You don't have to do it over the phone or online. You are welcome to come down to the warehouse anytime. Just call ahead so that we make sure there's somebody here to meet you, but we're happy to take visitors anytime, day or night.